This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility. Identify if your phone uses USB-C or Lightning and whether Bluetooth is preferable. Plug in an OTG adapter or a powered USB hub immediately to avoid power drops. This is the first actionable step. Once done, attach the mouse or wired keyboard and watch for the permission prompt. Make sure to enable USB accessories in settings when prompted, because without that the system can block peripherals and you won't get input. You now configure device behavior so inputs feel native. If using Bluetooth, pair in settings and confirm battery and permissions. If wired, confirm OTG detection. Then open accessibility and input settings to set pointer speed, keyboard layout, and long press delay so typing and selection match your rhythm. Install a keyboard app if you need custom layouts and a mouse mapping tool for gestures or extra buttons. These steps refine control because default settings often make pointer travel too fast or keys misaligned. You finish by tailoring shortcuts and testing across apps to make the setup reliable. Assign hotkeys for copy/paste, app switching, and a clipboard manager to speed repetitive tasks. Test in a browser, editor, and remote desktop to confirm consistency. If things go wrong, reboot the phone first, then swap the OTG cable or hub, check Bluetooth battery and pairing, and verify app permissions. One key troubleshooting tip. A powered hub often fixes intermittent disconnects caused.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.